Hello, sir. Congratulations, sir, for completing a decade in BFL. And it's really been a milestone and an achievement that you have been associated with BFL for 10 years. That's really a big thing. I have been knowing you for the past 3 years, sir, and in these 3 years, you have been a mentor and as required a friend also. Whenever I wanted any kind of personal guidance, you have always been there and provided me with the right path. So thank you so much, sir, for that. And not to mention, sir, that I'm just one person, from a haystack of your admirers and followers. So I really appreciate being a part of your team and being associated with you for all this while. And I wish you all the success and happiness in your future endeavors, sir. And I wish that we cross path again and I get the opportunity to work with you again. So good luck, boss, and Godspeed.
Congratulations, Aniket sir, for completing 10 years with Bajaj Finserv. I know it's a long journey for any individual to spend consecutive 10 years with any organization. You might have worked with different departments of Bajaj Finserv in these 10 years, and as far as I'm aware of, you have excelled in every department with all your dedication, hard work, and your discipline. And the best part is you are the problem solver in every situation wherever you have worked. You might be inspiration for many, but you are an idol for me. Keep doing good job and all the best for your future endeavors.
Heartiest congratulations, Aniket sir, on completing 10 years with BFL. With a company like BFL, I know it can be tough to keep doing what you're doing the best and perform consistently over the years. But that is what exactly you have managed to do, and that makes you stand out from the rest. Over my last 2 years working with BFL and also working with you since the beginning, I've realized two important aspects of you. One is that you are a self-styled leader. I've always felt motivated after talking to you on any problems. You have always managed to bring about the best from your colleagues, and that is something which is a self-styled leader would do. Second most important thing is that you are an excellent manager. Sometimes I feel envious about how you are able to manage a very healthy relationship across your family, your friends, your colleagues, your subordinates, your seniors, all at the same time. I have always looked up to you as someone who has maintained a very beautiful balance across all the facets of the life. So here's wishing you many more successful years at BFL.
Congratulations, Aniket sir, on your working completion of 10 years Finserv. Working with you is like a complete package from your side. Whoever works under you will get a friend, a mentor, philosopher. Continue to say this list will go on. You really, I always wonder how you have solutions for each and every problem. You always let a person work freely. You always let a person and if the person are you're always there to give him solution. You always think about the people who are working with you should grow. You always search your success in the peers along with you, and I mean this is a serious quality to have, and I seriously feel I am privileged to work under you, though it's for a very short span, 1.5 years, but trust me sir, there was never a day since the time you have left telebinding. There is not a single day where I did not think about you. I always think about I should have an opportunity again in my life to work with you. Congratulations again, Aniket sir, and I'm glad to work with you. Thank you. All the best for your future endeavors.
Congratulations, Aniket sir, for the decade completion of service in the company. We all are blessed to have pleasure working with you. In my whole tenure of service, I see you as my idol, and I have learned many things from you, especially people management and people orientation, which are actually the best part I have seen. I see many people in the call center admire you for all your hard work, dedication, and the best part is the bond you share with them, which is actually encouraging and motivating. My best wishes are with you. All the best, sir, for your future. Thank you.
Heartily congratulations, Aniket sir, on your 10th anniversary with Bajaj Finserv. It's a long journey in the same company, and you have achieved a tremendous success in these 10 years in Bajaj Finserv. Also, you are a best boss in the world for me because you always cooperates and always motivate to each and every team member, and it is a great experience to working with you. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best for a bright future. Thank you.
Hey Aniket, congratulations on completing 10 years in BFL. Your journey has truly been an inspiration to many. Keep shining, keep inspiring. All the best.
Happy 10th working anniversary with BFL, Aniket. 10 years. 10 years in such a dynamic organization is really a milestone in itself, and hearty compliments for that. I'm sure in this 10 years you have been in various roles, and whatever I know about you, you have been marvelous in all the roles possible. I find myself really lucky to be associated to you, even if it is for a small time. A great learning definitely, and I think my success curve of my career, it was at its best, out of all the 18 years, if I can think about. In this 18 years since 2002, I worked with various reporting managers, various bosses, but I have never seen a cool personality like you, from whom I can personally learn a lot of things. You are so much connected to each and every person working for you. And I am not referring to only direct reportees here. I am talking about entire channel, last mile associate or caller of your process. You know them by name, at least almost of them. You know not only their names, their strengths, you address it in certain meetings. You have expressed your, that how you are influenced with them a lot of times, and that impresses people, and that is the reason people get influenced by you so much that in whatever span I have worked with you and after that, I have not seen anybody, and I am saying anybody, in callers, in your subordinates, in your colleagues, counterparts, in your seniors. I have seen no one so much liked by everybody, and that is your strength, your core strength. Maybe because of your EQ, or maybe because of your connect so well that people really like you, they appreciate you, and no one behind you or in front of you I have ever seen criticizing about you, and that is very rare things to happen in a corporate world. Personally, I always thought that we are really very connected. I always thought that I can look forward not only for organizational support, but at times you have also guided me, mentored me, for certain personal things, because you never kept it, separate, because you know that person is important, and if you give that importance to his personal life, then only you're going to get the best out of him. I suppose I always thought that you were always very much connected to me, but I find, almost all my colleagues, everybody whom I talk to, have same rapport with you, and that shows it all. I really at times miss you as a boss when there is a dilemma and I happen to be clueless at times. At least before meeting you, I always thought work-life balance is a myth. It is a myth. But after meeting you, I think you can have best for both the worlds, and that we have learned from you. And let me acknowledge this, that you have been inspirational even when I decided to give more priority to my health for some time because whatever I was going through. So you always encouraged me for that as well. I would find myself very lucky in case in future we are together and we work together again. For now, all the best for all your future endeavors, and may God give you all the success in your current process and all the future endeavors with BFL and beyond. Once again, a very happy 10th work anniversary, Aniket. God bless.